it's not until you start embodying tarot in your life, like making it real, that you're actually going to start understanding it better. And I know for me personally, it was so outside of myself to look at tarot, and you look at the regular Rider-Waite deck and you see the people and the situations, and it seems so medieval that we kind of separate ourselves from it and think of it more as something outside of us, something that we can't really relate to. When in reality, a good tarot reader, at least in my mind, is someone who embodies tarot in a way that they use their own experiences so they can understand what the meanings of the cards are saying, as opposed to just memorizing what a book actually says. So I think it's super important when you're first learning tarot is to really start embodying the cards. Like, try not to cram it. It's not something that you're going to learn overnight. I've been practicing tarot for a couple of decades now, and I'm still learning things, and I'm still learning ways to incorporate it. But one thing I did have learned is to feel confidence in what I get from it. I feel confidence in the messages that come through. Sometimes you need to give it time. Sometimes you need to just stick with one card or one deck at a time if you're just beginning, and let that be the thing that really anchors you into your tarot as a practice. Because a practice is like anything, a meditation practice, an exercise practice. It's something you continue. It's something that you can learn and grow from. So if you're interested in learning more, put tarot in the comments and I'll give you a link to download my free tarot cheat sheet. That's it for now. Peace.